Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, guys, look at Triumph Group, TGI, a little bit of move in the pre-market. Our AI, this is still the pre-market, okay? So this is right here is well, actually, I'm wrong. That's the candle in which the alert happened at 9:45. So 15 minutes after the open. 15:47 was the alert. This is from our AI, and it's sitting up here at 1619. And when I looked left, I saw that the next high on the daily chart was something like 1686 or so. So this still has room. I'm very interested in this one if it breaks above this 1620, 1625 mark on some volume, okay? Also, I just want to draw your attention to what I call my wonder scan, and you can have it if you come into the room. Look at the alerts we got from this one. So CYTK, and again, I apologize, by clicking on this, it's going to take, I'm sorry, sometimes it's, there we go. When I'm doing a video, it really slows down my system. So there's CYTK. You'll see it eventually there. 4171 was the alert, and it got up to, I'm sorry, 4457. Irene. Now this one is, I'm interested in this one later on. This is one I actually traded. 726, and it got up to about 750, okay? But I'm actually interested in this one later on also. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to load the other ones. Sorry, guys. It just takes too long. Yeah, see, it got up here, 751. This has room to about 780 also on a daily chart. This was the crazy one, MULN. It had the alert. I mean, this had run from about $8, and it showed up here because it finally broke a 10-day high. And it actually, from even here, though, it ran up to about 18 something. And then here's the TGI, okay, showing up in this scan. It was earlier in our AI, but I'm very interested in this one if it takes out, that 1630 mark. And again, I encourage you to come into the room. I can give you this scan. If you're overwhelmed by the number of alerts that you're getting all day long, this might be the type of scan for you. We don't get too many alerts in it, but in my opinion, they're awesome alerts. Okay, guys, have a great evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.